If you're researching the best platforms to build an online business around your knowledge and experience, there are two names that you're sure to come across: LearnWorlds and Circle. Both platforms will help you host courses and also create a paid community, but they are built for two very different starting points. For example, LearnWorlds is course first, while Circle is community first. In this tutorial, we are going to be breaking down LearnWorld versus Circle. We'll be looking at the features, pricing, and who each one is best for, so you can pick the right platform for your business model. Now, let's jump in. To kick things off, what is LearnWorlds? LearnWorlds is an AI-powered online course platform built for creators, coaches, and training companies. Think of it as your online school in a box. It lets you create structured online courses, add quizzes, exams, and certificates, also host a branded school under your own domain, and sell digital products, memberships, and training programs. I would say it is best for course creators, academies, and training businesses that care about learning experience, structure, and student outcomes. While what is Circle? Circle, on the other hand, is a community-first platform for creators, brands, and educators who want a private, branded home for their audience. Circle started as a community platform and has evolved in an all-in-one community, courses and events, and also payment hub platform instead. It offers features like spaces for discussions, posts and group chats, courses and lessons area inside the community, also events, live streams, and live rooms. You also get built-in payments, memberships, and also subscriptions, and new AI agents, workflows, and email marketing tools. I would say it is best for creators and brands who want to build a highly engaged community with courses, events, and memberships all living in one social style hub. And if we were to quickly talk about the core differences of both platforms, for example, when it comes onto LearnWorlds, it is a course platform with some community features, while Circle, on the other hand, is a community platform with course and monetization features. So if your priority is a structured learning area, I would recommend that you go with LearnWorlds. While on the other hand, if your priority is community engagement and membership, I would more lean towards Circle. When it comes on to LearnWorlds, there are three pricing options. First, the starter pack for $29 per month, and then you have the Pro Trainer option for $99 per month, and you have the Learning Center option for $299 per month. So if you're just getting started and you're creating your first course, I would recommend that you go with the starter option. Then once you gain some experience and you start getting a few sales, I would recommend that you upgrade to the Pro Trainer option, as with this option you won't be charged a transaction fee. And if we were to check out the pricing when it comes onto Circle, as you can see right here, while you can get started for completely free, their monthly plan begins at $89 per month and it can go up to $419 per month. Keep in mind, Circle offers a 14-day free trial period. So with this in mind, which one would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose LearnWorlds if your main focus is courses, training programs, or an online academy, and you care about quizzes, certificates, student progress tracking, and also structured learning paths. Or you want a dedicated LMS with strong instructional design features, and you are okay plugging in separate tools for email or advanced funnels. While on the other hand, I would recommend that you go with Circle if your business is community driven, memberships, for example, masterminds or creator communities or private groups, or you want a one central hub where members can join discussions, attend live events, take courses, and manage their subscriptions, or you care more about engagement, retention, and group interaction than heavy LMS features. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.